bad, you're so bad that I need you. I wanna have it you. Fly girl, would you come my way, my way? Girl, you're so bad that I need you. I wanna have it you. Fly girl, would you come my way, my way? Come on, baby, baby, follow me. You're so bad, baby, follow me.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Nani. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit subscribe, and if you like this video that you're about to watch, don't forget to hit the like button, because this video is all about my surprise gift to Greece. You heard me right. My boyfriend surprised me to a trip to Greece, and I was so excited. Still not content. Stay tuned.
Come on, baby, baby, follow me. You're so bad, baby, follow me.
So I have a special person for this special video. Come here. Just come. Alright guys, this is my little brother. Right, how cute are we? Alright, so let's get into the video. My trip to Greece was actually a surprise gift from my boyfriend, and I remember months prior I kept on sending him different like IG models, certain different destinations, and he was like, got you. So he planned the whole trip. I didn't know where we were going. Even when we landed in Greece, I didn't know where in Greece we were going. All I knew was the taxi picked us up and then I was going somewhere. I didn't ask nothing, but let me tell you, when I got to my destination, I loved it. I was like, babe, you listen to me so much. You listen, right? Don't you think? Yo, I was ready. I was like, yeah, you know, I love Greek mythology. I watch all these little movies, and I'm like, yo, I'm ready to see some stuff. Like, you know, I'm ready. So to me, I thought we're going to stay in Athens. So he was like, oh yeah, we're flying out on your birthday. I'm like, oh, we're flying out on my birthday. What are we gonna do? Are you mimicking me? No. And then I was like, okay, let's just do some stuff in Athens. He told me what we're gonna do. So conveniently, the hotel we stayed in was like 5 minutes from Acropolis. It was like you just go around the corner, everything's like right there. So I loved it. I wish you could have came with me. Yeah, I would have let her come on next birthday. You gonna go there for your next birthday? Yeah. Who paid for that?
Orlando, my boy.
But yeah, I loved it. So the thing that I really didn't like was the gypsies on the street, and also the fact that you couldn't walk freely around Athens with like your bag across from you. You had to keep everything in front so people wouldn't steal from you. Like, I don't know how you say that, pickpocketing? I don't know. It's pickpocketing, right? So I wouldn't get pickpocketed. I remember I forgot I'm walking, my bag's on the side, and some lady had to tell me, ma'am, you gotta, you know. And also, it was convenient. The weather, oh my god, one of the biggest issues that I had was the weather, because I didn't know how to dress. I'm like, it's Europe, it's probably freezing. But let me tell you, when I got there, it was summertime to me. It was hot. And I'm always cold. If I'm telling you it's hot, it was hot. And funny, I'm walking around with like no jacket on, and everybody around me had on a jacket. So I was like, yo, are they serious right now? Maybe it's because it was like 10 degrees in New Jersey when we left. So when we got there, it was really warm. The food, oh my god, the food was great. And it's convenient that if you have your credit card, you can pay with credit card, because we ended up buying like souvenirs, and a lot of things we paid was like on the card. So if you don't want to like pay cash, a lot of places you go, you can just use your card. The food there wasn't too expensive. It was like you eating real good food at a low price, and I loved it. Yeah, I was eating that good food. Yeah, I was eating that good food.
Well, give me a sauce bar.
Yeah, you gonna eat that sauce bar. Yeah, that food was great. I had the best fish there. Everything was great. What's that?
Allah.
So when my birthday came, we went to guess where? Mykonos. Don't look at me like I'm a weirdo. Yo, when I tell you I love Mykonos, even though it was like off season, I loved it. It's a small island. It's that place you go to relax, to forget about your bills back at home. If you have kids, all the headache they give you, you get a relaxation from that. I love Mykonos. You ask me to go back tomorrow, I will go back. It was like a quiet town. I love how everything was like painted in white. The hospitality of the people was great. The only thing I didn't like was the cats. I didn't like the cats. Like, we're working in the middle of the night, all we see is cats, and I'm just like, I don't like cats, I don't like cats, I don't like cats. Oh my gosh, too much cats, too much cats. But other than that, it was a great vacation. Weather-wise, if you go around November, you don't really have to worry. All you need is like a leather jacket, a little jean jacket. The food, you don't have to worry about that. I'm a fatty. If I'm telling you this food is great, food was great. Mykonos was very quiet, calm. I love it. Further in the videos, you see some nice stuff. You see some nice stuff. You have any questions for me?
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. 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 Right. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Did you like it?
Hell yeah, I like it. Take me back. Ha! Take me back. I wanna go back. I wanna go back. I wanna go back. Yeah, I wanna go back.
I wanna have it you. Like, girl, would you come my way? My way. Girl, you so bad, I like it too. I wanna have it you. Like, girl, would you come my way? My way. Come on, baby, follow me. It's so bad, baby, follow me. Come on, baby, follow me. It's so bad, baby, follow me. Come on, baby, follow me. It's so bad, baby, follow me. Come on, baby, follow me. It's so bad, baby, follow me. My shady, don't.
Thank you. Okay, this is this. Okay, let's take this damn journey up.
representation of Hydra and Carrie. Yeah. Let me say that.
Remember, guys, if you like the video and you enjoyed the video, if you have any more questions, feel free. If anything I didn't cover you would like to know, feel free to comment below, and I'll surely answer it. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and see you next time.